Good morning. Ngayon po ay araw ng Sabado, May 3, 2025. Titingnan natin kung magkano ang kikitain natin sa pag-grab car. Ang oras po natin ay alas 2:05. Tingnan natin. Stop recording. Yun, nakakuha na tayo ng isang booking.
Arriving in 3 minutes at 2:10 a.m. This route is toll-free.
89 lang, malapit lang dito sa may Villamor. Tara, sunduin na natin. Stop recording.
Continue for 400 meters, then turn left onto 4th Street.
Stop recording. Ayun. Naibaba ko na yung unang pasahero. 120 kasama na yung kay Grab. Pero hindi ako pipila dito sa Terminal 3. Ang tagal ng pila lalo ng ganitong oras. Ayun, napasukan tayo ng isang booking dito sa Terminal 3. 160. Nakuha tayo ng pangalawang pasahero papuntang Parañaque. Sunduin natin.
Continue for 500 meters, then turn left onto Chino Rosas Avenue. Continue straight at this traffic light.
Yun, cafe con leche. Wala pa silang pandesal. Waiting muna tayo dito. Pandi Manila. Pumasok na pang-apat na booking, bagong Tanyag to 7-Eleven. 225 pesos.
42 a.m. This route is toll-free. Passengers
Sunduin na natin. Yun, na drop off na natin yung panglimang pasahero natin dito sa may Imperial Residences. Chinese. Daming Chinese dati nung may yung may Pugo. So ngayon kokonti na lang. Laking tulong din yung yung may mga Chinese pa dati. Bilis talagang bilis lumaki ang kita dati. Ngayon wala nang Chinese, kokonti na lang. Balik tayo doon sa may Asiana. Rolling. Ayun, na-drop off na natin ang ating passenger number 7 at meron na tayong 1,079. Ang oras ay 5:22. Yan, dito lang tayo sa Pasay, paikot-ikot. Punta ulit tayo ng Terminal 1 and 2. Kung marami ng arrival ngayon Let's go! Nakaposisyon na tayo dito sa may leftmost side So ikot na lang tayo doon sa may ano, sa kabila, malilayo. Okay lang, 2 minutes. Pangalan niya ay Mr. iPhone. Mr. iPhone yung palayaw niya. Bulalo. Bulalo natin. Kayang ubusin.
Cool. But when I dropped my notes in math, he picked them up and whispered, "You fool." Maybe it's not just
Nice.
me. Maybe he
Very beefy.
pushes too
Beefy.
quietly. Maybe his hoodie just smells like rain. But he wore it both Thursdays again. Maybe it's not just me. And that's what makes me smile. He asked if I liked that song last night, then sent a playlist out of the blue. And when I joked, is this a sign? He said, I
Lambot.
mean, would it be weird if it were true?
Sarap.
Maybe it's not just me. Maybe he smiles when I can't see. Maybe I'm not the only one who counts the seconds when we're done. Maybe it's not just me. Maybe it never was.
May sili.
I always thought I was the fool, writing songs he'll never hear.
Sarap.
But maybe he's just waiting to, afraid to
Lambot ng baka.
lose what we hold dear. Maybe it's not just me.
Sarap.
Maybe we're both just scared to be. Two hearts too soft, too close, too slow, waiting for someone else to go. Maybe it's not just me. Maybe it's already love. I typed goodnight and hit send, then gasped. Wrong name, wrong friend. My phone buzzed back. That made my day. Wait, why did he smile that way? I said, oops, that wasn't for you. He wrote short, but I hope it's true. My
Maro.
brain went blank. I stared at space. Why is he blushing on his face? Wrong person. Or was it fate? My heart skipped like it couldn't wait. He said, if you mean
Maro.
it, I won't mind. And now I'm losing all my mind. Wrong person, or was it you? I've been meaning to say this too. I tried
Sarap.
to play it off, said
Summer Pointe Country Homes ang pick up natin. Ang tagal kong napasukan ng booking, halos 2 oras. Yun, may susunduin akong galing Moonwalk papuntang Antipolo, 1,100 kasama na yung ano, kay Grab. So, halo-halo sa Dabao's Best. Halo-halo. Five out of 5. Update tayo sa earnings. Alas 8:43. Ating earnings ay 5,544. 27 bookings. Okay. Okay na yun. Para bukas ulit. Dito sa 5,544 nakapagpagas ako ng 1,400. So meron tayong take home na around 4,000. Good morning. Ngayon po ay araw ng Sabado, May 3, 2025. Titingnan natin kung magkano ang kitain natin sa pag-grab car. Ang oras po natin ay alas 2:05. Tingnan natin